Meanwhile, there's growing concern about COVID-19 vaccination rates among communities of color, which are disproportionately lower than their white counterparts. That concern comes in light of the so-called Delta variant and its potential to spread even in highly vaccinated populations. As Sonia Goins reports, a Brooklyn Park nonprofit that works with African immigrants is working to increase vaccinations.
ACER is receiving a $100,000 grant from the Centers for Disease Control to fund education and outreach programs in communities like Brooklyn Park, which were hit hard by the global pandemic.
We still have some pockets within Brooklyn Park where we have a high uptick of the virus in some of these communities, especially within the BIPOC community. That's the Black and Indigenous and people of color community groups.
The project aims to increase understanding and trust about the COVID-19 and flu vaccines among adults at the highest risk for infection and death. At the height of the pandemic, state death records showed that people of color were dying from COVID-19 at disproportionately higher rates than whites. ACER is working with religious groups and community leaders to help spread the word about the importance of getting the vaccine. Now officials are worried about the Delta variant, which now makes up more than 26% of new cases in the country.
We're very concerned about it. That's why we're encouraging everyone to take the vaccine. We have a lot of vaccine available.
ACER is working with several medical groups to provide free vaccinations throughout the state. They're also holding vaccine clinics at the Brooklyn Park Farmers Market this summer. In Brooklyn Park, Sonia Goins, CCX News.
Find more local news stories at ccxmedia.org and follow us on social media.